Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw baby Dogday. So first let's get started in towards the top of our page, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the top of the nose. We're going to connect this together from left to right with a curved line in the center. Let's draw on the bottom of the eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line over and up. Lining it up at the same height on the left hand side, we will replicate that. On the inside now, on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line up and bringing that down in the corner. And then to the left of this, we're going to again curve this line up, back down and in. In the center now, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then moving over to our left eye, lining that up at the same height. Let's replicate that. Let's move up above and draw in the eyebrows now. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now let's draw in our mouth. So in the center, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, curving that over and out. For the tooth, we're just going to draw in a letter V on the left-hand side. And now let's draw in the cheeks. So starting on the right-hand side, just above the eye here, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that in towards the middle. And now we're going to flip over on the left-hand side, lining that up at the exact same height, and we're just going to replicate that. So we're going to curve this line all the way around, and then in, just blending that together on the bottom. In the center, let's draw a line that comes directly up towards the top of our page, just extending past our eyebrows. And now to the right of this, we're going to curve this line up, and then down. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Let's draw in the ears now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line up and then down. We'll move over to the left, replicating that. Now let's bring in the rest of the ear. So coming down on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then we're going to flip over to the left-hand side, replicating that, curving that down and then in. Now from here on the side, we're going to start on this line, curving this around and then in towards the cheek. And then starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line out and then back in, ending this at roughly the same height on both sides. Let's come down and draw on the torso now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. We'll step over, and on the right-hand side, we'll replicate that. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. On both sides, we're going to curve this line out towards the side. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now in the center, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. And now moving around, we're going to draw in a curved pattern. So we're going to arch this up and then in. And we're going to continue this as we come all the way around our circle. And we're just going to follow the shape now as we come up and in towards the chin. On both sides now, we're going to curve this line out and then down. For the arms now, on the left-hand side, let's arch this line out and then in. We'll move over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Moving further up, we're going to curve this line over towards the right, and then we'll do the same thing up and over on the left. Now let's draw in our legs. So on the inside, stepping over to the right, we're going to curve this line out, and then we'll replicate that on the left-hand side, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around and then up on a diagonal on both sides. And now from here in the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then in on the side. And then on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Baby Dogday. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.